watches the pendulum swing so slow. A quiet math only the lonely know, measuring shadows across the floor, wondering what all the hours are for. He doesn't keep track to race the clock or wait for the key to turn the lock. He tracks the ticks to find the seams where waking life meets the fading dreams. I know that hours can heal a scar. I know that distance can dim a star. I know that numbers can count the years and divide the laughter from the tears. But that's not how I trace my mind. That's not the canvas of my time. She lines the stones in a perfect row, arranging secrets from long ago, each one a memory heavy and cold, a different story that wasn't told. She doesn't group them by shade or weight, or sort them out to defy her fate. She places each one to see the space, the missing pieces she can't replace. I know that hours can heal a scar. I know that distance can dim a star. I know that numbers can count the years and divide the laughter from the tears. But that's not how I trace my mind. That's not the canvas of my time. Told you the road was straight, you'd find a curve in the hand of fate. The maps we draw are just lines in dust, a fragile sketch we are forced to trust. I know that hours can heal a scar. I know that distance can dim a star. The laughter from the tears. But that's not how I trace my mind. That's not the canvas of my